And hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Hi there. And Dino, too. Now, a lot of people wondering why Uncle Alan doing these videos. Well, Uncle Alan has Plan H coming up, and he's going to soon leave the area where, I hate to say it, California is going to face a lot of disaster. And a lot of people looking, why don't you leave now, Uncle Alan? Because Uncle Alan's broke and half deaf and half starved. But Uncle Alan survives. Okay? Now, Uncle Alan, I know Diana. Sorry, Diana, I was a vegan for a year as a Buddhist monk. Didn't like it. Chicken salad, chicken salad, lots of vegetables with chicken. I do need the protein because I have a blood problem. And eating vegetables and tofu don't hack it. And I have 2 slices of dry diet toast. I don't want to eat in front of the camera because I only have that many teeth left. So if you want, folks, and help out Uncle Alan right down below, so I have a PayPal account. $5.50 donation will help out for my research, or $9.95 donation will also help out with my research. Now today is, what did I write? Let's get the clipboard out. Let's see, a bucket of hardtack. This is for, let's see, the other notes. Yeah, right, okay. Small town southern housewife. Guy got your back and I always watch your videos. DIY solar homestead. Cure Deer Survival, Native Tears, Savage Survival, Harshman Hills, Prep for It, and Corsair Trainers. Hi, Steve. I'm Corsair Trainers. All you beginning preppers, women preppers, go check out Steve's channel. It's very good, and he does wonderful on the beginning preppers of the basics. My class or my channel is for the advanced, where you're here, Uncle Alan's way up here with a few other people. Everybody else is way down below. Okay? Now, only beef I have with Steve is it ain't 18 million for the greater Los Angeles area. It's close to 60 million, Steve. 18 million is for the city of LA. This doesn't count the counties around LA. 18 for the city of LA. I'm good with figures. Okay, put that back. And a lot of people say, oh, we only have 18 million in greater Los Angeles area. If that's so, we wouldn't have all the problems we've been having. Okay? That's 60 million, kids. Get your numbers straight. Now, ugh, I hate to lift this. This weighs about 35 pounds. Ugh. This is a 5-gallon bucket full of hardtack. Ugh. Oh, God, that's heavy. Not propping that open. Every time I open it, air gets into it. It's double sealed, double sacked, has desiccants and oxygen absorbers. Why do you want to put a bucket of hardtack? You make it at home, use the correct measurements. The medium's really easy to do. It's basically flour, water, and salt. You get any of the recipes online. Make the shapes plattable, easy size to eat, which is 3 by 3, or around 3 by 3. Now, a lot of people get this screwed up, okay? And wrong cooking times, wrong implements, wrong measuring. Okay, this is what I have to tell these, Steve, because a lot of people don't understand. The bucket of hardtack will last longer than flour and grain. Okay, you can see examples from the Civil War. That is still edible. Okay, get that through your little heads. Think about it. Durr. They even found Roman kind of hardtack in certain areas of the world that's over 2,000 years old. Now that's a pretty good statement. Now the problem with this type of hardtack, you break your teeth. So I tell everybody when you make it not too thin, not too thick, less than a finger thickness. Okay, so it can be easily broken apart. I've been reading other YouTube channels on their versions. They go anywhere from of a quarter inch to 3/3 of an inch. Roll it out, cut it, dry it. Now here's the drying problem. Now me, because I have bad teeth and I broke too many, my hardtack, which I put in the bucket, trick I use is I bake it once, make sure both sides are nicely brown, and then I take it and put it in a dehydrator for the finishing element to get all the moisture out of it. And also I do another trick. I lightly salted the tops and the bottoms with Himalayan sea salt and sodium glutamate. That's why everybody loves Doritos, because it's massive amounts of sodium glutamate. Now, Uncle Alan's version with Himalayan salt and a little bit of sodium glutamate is very small. I use Japanese measurements, which is a hell lot different from the Dorito measurements. I'm getting old. Coffee. Oh, I forgot. Another thing, this doesn't matter with bucket of hardtack, which is heavy, 35 pounds. Okay, water sources. You got to find, this is for Steve because he did something for 72 hours. Really good video. I recommend to go check out his segments on emergency food. Don't get the 1 gallon bottles. It's nice for maybe a day or two, but if you're doing something serious or Uncle Alan's level, get a 5 gallon water jerry can. Don't screw around. That's 5 gallons right there of water. Okay? An adult man can lift it and carry it. Kids and women, I don't know. But you should have 4 of them. That's 20 gallons right there. Doesn't take up too much space. You don't have all these little bottles. You don't have all these 1 gallon jugs like L.A. Prepper's apartment. There's like what, 20 or 30 of them stacked all over the place. While you can have it concentrated by 4 or 5 gallon jugs or 5 gallon containers. Think about it, kids. Okay, wait, let it sink into your little minds. Okay, I gotta make sure I got enough time because I'm going too long sometimes. Yeah, really long, Uncle. And yes, Ontario Prepper, you did see me in the beginning. Okay, kids, I'm getting a little tired because Uncle Alan can't stress out too much because his blood pressure medicine's going hinky a little bit. So I'll catch you later, kids. Remember, a bucket of hardtack, easy to do. There's a lot of instructions on YouTube. Just check it out, figure out the one you like. Make your hardtack, put it in. Oh, God, I gotta lift this thing up. In a 5 gallon bucket. Oh, make sure you double bag it, put in a oxygen absorber and a desiccant. Okay, a lot of people, well, I don't like hardtack. You don't eat hardtack straight. It's a substitute form of, guess what? Flour or grains. Because Uncle Alan don't have any teeth left. This is how you prepare it. You grind it up. You pound the hell out of it with a hammer, a rock, a stone, a grinder, a rifle butt. You pound the hell out of it. And then you could add it as a filler to soups and stews. You could reconstitute it with water and bake it and make like a kind of uneven bread because all the materials are there. Just reheat it, reshape it, and cook it as a pancake. Easy as pie. Catch you, kids. I'll catch you later next time.